What is OatWell Beta-Glucan? Take a field of oats, matured as nature intended over the warm summer months. Each precious grain contains beta-glucan fibre, which studies have shown is great for our health. We've sifted out the starch to concentrate the all-important beta-glucan until one portion of OatWell contains as much beta-glucan as up to 4 bowls of ordinary porridge. And that's OatWell Beta-Glucan. So what does it do? OatWell Beta-Glucan is a soluble dietary fibre. As it enters the stomach and intestine, the fibres absorb water and form a viscous net that captures cholesterol-related particles. This stops cholesterol from being absorbed into the bloodstream, meaning this trapped cholesterol is harmlessly passed out of the body. So less cholesterol absorbed means lower cholesterol levels in the blood, and lower cholesterol levels means a healthier heart. Each portion of OatWell contains the 3 grams of beta-glucan fibre, proven to lower cholesterol and help keep your cholesterol levels in check. Enjoy OatWell daily as part of a varied diet and balanced lifestyle.